Influence here today. I got the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Yes, it's like 6-7 months after this came out, but you know they have sales, so I have all the other Galaxy watches. I didn't feel the need to buy this particular one when it came out because I had the 6 Classic. Let's pop this open.
Transformers reviews, tech in the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views, influences interest on YouTube.
It does come in a pretty nice package, kind of like the phone. I believe this is the watch. Then you get the watch band. You got to pick what band you want it. So I got this white band that goes, but I also bought this band as well because it's metal and I like metal bands. And it also looks like it has an orange stripe to match. So darn. More opening. Packaging is nice. And yeah, you get the watch. You get the book. Do you not get a charger for this watch? No, you gotta have a charger. It's gotta be in here. Yeah, I feel something heavy. I was about to say. Alright, so you got this type of charger. I know there's a couple features that I don't like on this watch, but for now it looks pretty nice. Looks good, robust. Yeah, I like the way it looks. It feels. See if it has any juice. Oh, that's not the... I don't think that's the button. Looks like some juice. I'll show it without all the sensors. You got the 3 buttons over here. You got the accents in orange, which I do like. I wasn't sure how I would like that, but I do like it. And I think I like it even more with the metal band. So let me open the band while that is starting up. So here's the band. Here's the band that it comes with. I do like this band too. Man. It's nice. Got the ridges. I like how it looks, the outer part of the band. It's pretty nice. Has the Samsung logo. I'm sure it's high quality. Maybe higher quality than some of the bands you may buy aftermarket, which has been my experience. Like the bands that come with the actual watch are better than the bands that you can buy, but you can buy the bands separately from like a third party for a lot cheaper. So it's just a trade-off. You're gonna need to replace it more. But here, oh man, here's this band. I do like that it comes with this thing to get the pins out, and I think it has another pin thing. And here's this band. Here it is on. Quite easy to put on the Ultra. Just snap in. If you already had the Ultra, you already know. So this is the band that I'll be using. So yeah, it's pretty nice. And here you go with this. And if you want, this is how you do it. You gotta look and see where the arrows are. Usually I don't see any arrows. Oh yeah, there's arrows. So you see the arrows, these are the ones you can take out. It's pointing that way, so that means you have to push the pin that way. So then if you want one of these, you get on this side, make sure the arrow, and push the pin. It's quite easy with this one because then there's a hole over here where the pin goes. So it's not in the way. And there you go. You push that pin out all the way. And right now I'm just going to move to this one. Let me move to this one so I can get that out. And then I can put them back in. I'm taking one on this side because it's shorter than this side. So then I'm taking 3 on the other side because I need 3 gone. So here you are. Then you just take those pins out. Save the pins because you're going to need them, at least one of them, because then when you take this out, then you're going to put the pin back and you put it in the opposite direction of the arrow because you're putting it back in. And you want the spread apart piece. Wait, where is it? There you go. Then you want this piece that's spread apart at the end. You just get that in there like that. And if you can't get it all the way in, then that's when this comes in handy as again. So then you can use this to push the pin in. If you need glasses, it may be hard because it is difficult. Not so much difficult, it just takes a little bit. And there you go. So now on this side, I'm taking out 3 because I want to. No, because I need to, actually. But you can keep them all if you got a space for them. There you go. Those 3 are out. Put this back. And then take one of the pins and put it back in. Here it is on my wrist.
Ain't no, life ain't no, life ain't no, life ain't no. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.